Namaskar. Welcome to day 31 of Surya Namaskara or Sun Salutations Challenge. Today is a very significant day because we complete learning the chant Nirvana Shatkam composed by Bhagavan Shri Shri Adi Shankaracharya in this session. We will learn the third part of the verse 6 followed by Chidananda Rupash, thus completing the learning of the entire verse. First, as usual, we will learn the lyrics of the third part, sixth verse, then learn the chanting of it, and then we will chant the verses 5 and 6 together for a practice, finishing off our session with a japa meditation of Chidananda Rupash Shivoham Shivoham. Let's begin the lyrics of third part, sixth verse. न चासङ्गतन्नैव मुक्तिर्न मेयः न चासङ्गतन्नैव मुक्तिर्न मेयः न चासङ्गतन्नैव मुक्तिर्न मेयः न चासङ्गतन्नैव मुक्तिर्न मेयः. Meaning, I am neither unattached nor even free nor measurable or limited. So what are we? Chidananda Rupaha Shivoham Shivoham. I am the form of consciousness bliss. I am Shiva, that which is not, or auspiciousness. Let's chant. न चासङ्गतन्नैव मुक्तिर्न मेयः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं न चासङ्गतन्नैव मुक्तिर्न मेयः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं. Verses 5 and 6 together. न मे मृत्युशङ्का न मे जातिभेदः पिता नैव मे नैव माता न जन्मः न बन्धुर्न मित्रं गुरुर्नैव शिष्यः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् अहन्निर्विकल्पो निराकाररूपः विभुत्वाच्च सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणां न चासङ्गतन्नैव मुक्तिर्न मेयः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्. One more time. न मे मृत्युशङ्का न मे जातिभेदः पिता नैव मे नैव माता न जन्मः न बन्धुर्न मित्रं गुरुर्नैव शिष्यः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् अहन्निर्विकल्पो निराकाररूपः विभुत्वाच्च सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणां न चासङ्गतन्नैव मुक्तिर्न मेयः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्. Very good. We finished learning the entire chant of 6 verses. Now we do a japa meditation to finish off our session today. Let's begin in a comfortably seated position with our eyes softening to a close. Palms facing the ceiling and the center of your lap, one over the other, or on both of your thighs facing the ceiling. Let's begin. Inhaling deep, long, smooth. Exhale. Chidananda Rupa Shivoham Shivoham 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 Chidananda Rupa Shivoham Shivoham. Gently bringing your senses back to your body, bringing your palms together at the heart center, thumbs touching the sternum, and then start rubbing your palms vigorously. Create the self-healing or Reiki energy. Cup your eyes, feel the warmth, and then tap on your face, throat, neck, and other parts. Gently bringing your eyes to and open whenever you feel ready for that. I am thankful for all of you joining in this part of our journey of 108 days and learning the chant Nirvana Shatkam. Tomorrow will be a very important session because we will do a recap of chanting the entire 6 verses. So please do join in tomorrow's session as well. And if you have come this far and if you are enjoying the sessions and finding some value, please hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the bell notification icon to get updated about all these uploads very first whenever they are available for your review. Thank you so much. Do share this video generously with your loved and dear ones so that they also become a part of this transformation. Take care. Hari Om Tat Sat.